Whether you are on a strict $200 budget or looking to make an $1,800 splash for the latest and greatest foldable, Samsung has you covered. The smartphone and electronics titan has lofty expectations of itself and, luckily for Android fans, usually paves the way with some of the best Android phones money can buy. In this video we find the best Samsung phones. You have to see this. So, let's get started this video. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 Cell Phone. You can keep your folding tablets. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a folding phone that's a reasonable price, a captivating size, and super fun once you get a good case on it. You still get the camera convenience of flex mode while video calling or interacting with some apps, but this phone will fit into any pocket you own, including the front pocket of your shirt. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 did, too, and the newer model is an objectively better device. The newer Flip suffers the same pitfalls as the older one, crummy battery life and middling cameras, which aren't issues you'd expect to face in any non-folding phone that costs this much. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A54 Cell Phone. Samsung's Galaxy A54 serves as the successor to one of our favorite mid-range phones from last year, and it's somehow even better. With a 120Hz AMOLED display, a 50MP camera that promises to be capable even in low-light situations, and a faster processor, the A54 looks to be one of the more impressive phones of 2023 under $500. It has stiff competition from Google, but with an excellent update policy, this device should last buyers for half a decade before it needs an upgrade. It even maintained excellent battery life once again, thanks to the 5,000 mAh capacity that can keep you going for 2 days. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Cell Phone. We may be up to the Galaxy S23 these days, but the S21 FE offers a fair value if you can't quite bring yourself up to full flagship price. You still get a large 120Hz screen, decent cameras, great battery life, and the flagship features you deserve, like fast wireless charging. Samsung skipped the FE series for the Galaxy S22, but the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is still a pretty decent phone 1 year later. The S21 FE launched less than a month before the Galaxy S22 did, but thanks to some excellent deals, it stuck around as a solid mid-range offering. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Cell Phone. The baby of Samsung's flagship series, the Galaxy S23, features the same powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that the S23 Ultra does. Still, instead of being super expensive and too big to fit in the sad excuses for pockets they put on women's clothes, the S23 is a reasonable price and perfect for one-handed use, even for more petite hands like mine. While its big brothers might steal the spotlight, the Galaxy S23 is just as powerful and packs 95% of the same features, costing hundreds less than the S23 Plus and Ultra. It's also free with trade-in at all 3 major carriers. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Cell Phone. Samsung isn't scoring any points for an exciting upgrade this year, but that doesn't mean the Galaxy S23 Ultra isn't an incredible phone. It takes everything we liked about last year's device and makes it better, at the very least, keeps the experience surprisingly consistent. A slightly refined design means the curved display is now flatter than ever, while the squared-off frame fits better in the palm of your hand. It's a small design change, but an appreciated one nonetheless. While S22 Ultra owners might find the look and feel pretty familiar and, ultimately, not worth an upgrade, it's still some of the best Android hardware around.